First of all, I will select complete table, then press Ctrl G. Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Subzone. I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can make attendance sheets in a very few seconds. Just like this is a simple format of the attendance sheet in which the P indicates to present, and different cells have also filled by the P, and some cells are empty because these are the absent at this time. So there is a one method that we can select this cell and write A, and just next cell and write A, and then I will want to fill the cell with different color. Then just click on it and just click on the cell and click on this filling of the color format and change this, and this rule apply to a single cell one by one, and this takes too much time. I have no extra time, and I want to fill this task. I want to complete this task very efficiently in such a way that just in a few seconds. So how can we use it? First of all, I will select complete table, then press Ctrl G. This option will be appear. Go to the special, then go to the blanks, then click OK. Okay, empty cells are appeared at a time. Just click, you want to write A absent, just write Ctrl A and then press Ctrl and Shift. You can see after clicking Ctrl Shift by keyboard, all the cells have appeared with A alphabet. And now you want to fill with different colors, then you select from here different color and click on it, and you can easily different pages to pages, a bundle of pages that you want to fill with different alphabets. You can easily use this method, and this is very authentic and helpful, and you can quickly use in your offices to save your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think this video is very helpful for your daily task, and please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share to your friends.